Odisha gets its first Vande Bharat train as Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated this train on Thursday. Connecting Odisha's Puri and West Bengal's Howrah, this train is now the fastest train between the two stations, covering the 500-kilometer distance in around 6.5 hours. So far, Shatabdi was the fastest train on this route. After missing the target set for the last financial year, the ministry has now geared up for the production and delivery of these Vande Bharat trains. And in the last few weeks, since April 1, at least 5 pair of Vande Bharat trains have been inaugurated. This is the 6th pair of Vande Bharat train that is being inaugurated. Apart from being first for Odisha, this is also the first Vande Bharat train for the East Coast Railways.
After Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Kerala, it is now Odisha's turn to get its first Vande Bharat. The train will operate 6 days of the week except Thursday and will cover the distance in 6 hours 40 minutes from Puri and 6 hours 25 minutes from Howrah. It is around 1 hour faster than the Shatabdi. The Vande Bharat will have 7 commercial stoppages from either sides including Cuttack, Bhubaneswar and Kharagpur.
Connecting commercial city of Howrah with temple town Puri, this train is being inaugurated just weeks ahead of the famous Jagannath Yatra that is scheduled for June 20 this year.
The features of this train are similar to the previous trains including automatic doors, rotating seats in executive class and bio-vacuum toilets. The train also has fire sensors, CCTV cameras, disabled-friendly washroom and seat handles in braille.
This train is going to have 7 commercial stoppages including Cuttack, Bhubaneswar and Kharagpur.
So far, Shatabdi was the fastest train between the two stations. This Vande Bharat will be around 1 hour faster than the Shatabdi. When compared to Shatabdi, travel in Vande Bharat will be slightly costlier. According to the railways, the executive class of this train from Howrah will cost around 2400 while the chair car will cost around 1300. From Puri, the travel in Vande Bharat will cost around 1400 for the chair car and around 2600 for the executive class.
This is the second pair of Vande Bharat train for West Bengal, and next week the state is expected to get another pair of Vande Bharat train that will be operating between Assam and West Bengal.